Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey to learn the parts of the body in Hindi through English. So, whether you're a beginner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about Hindi. Alright, let's kick things off with some common body parts. First up, we have the hand, which is hath in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Hath. Fantastic. I will repeat this. Hand. Hath. Hand. Hath. Now, let's move to the foot, which is pair in Hindi. Give it a try. Pair. Excellent. I will repeat this. Foot. Pair. Foot. Pair. Now, let's move to the nose, which is naak in Hindi. Give it a try. Naak. Excellent. I will repeat this. Nose. Naak. Nose. Naak. Now, let's move to the finger, which is ungliya in Hindi. Give it a try. Ungliya. Excellent. I will repeat this. Finger. Ungliya. Finger. Ungliya. Now, let's move to the mouth, which is muh in Hindi. Give it a try. Muh. Excellent. I will repeat this. Mouth. Muh. Mouth. Muh. Now, let's move to the leg, which is tongue in Hindi. Give it a try. Tongue. Excellent. I will repeat this. Leg. Tongue. Leg. Tongue. Now, let's move to the face, which is chehra in Hindi. Give it a try. Chehra. Excellent. I will repeat this. Face. Chehra. Face. Chehra. Now, let's move to the teeth, which is dant in Hindi. Give it a try. Dant. Excellent. I will repeat this. Teeth. Dant. Teeth. Dant. You're making fantastic progress. Let's do a quick recap. Hand, hath. Foot, pair. Nose, naak. Finger, ungliya. Mouth, muh. Leg, tongue. Face, chehra. Teeth, dant. Congratulations! You have just learned some essential body parts in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words in your daily life. Thank you for joining us today.